Uh-huh.
Enemy in range.
This is pretty retarded.
This is stupid. This is hilarious.
This is weird. Arr. Them Tuscans.
Oh my gosh, stupid shit. Get out of the way. What the heck?
What's your life? Oh, halfway.
I'll live.
And you better shoot them Tuscans.
Trevor, you hearing this?
Them Indians.
Trevor, hear the tanks.
What is that sound? This is pretty much the coolest glitch that I've seen on Battlefront. Wish it would focus better. This is annoying. So annoying. Punch myself in the face. Hovercraft.
We captured a command post.
What? What was that?
Victory is imminent. Over there. Get down.
Sounds like Willy Wonka. Saw a guy on the bridge. Too bad the quality's terrible on this.
You can probably fix it.
Huh?
You can probably fix it.
Maybe. Let me zoom out a little bit. Zooming out does a little bit. Gosh, that's terrible. What was